In this tutorial, I will show you how you can replace string in Python using pattern or regular expression. Python has no any replace method like other programming languages, but there is a method named sub to do the replace task. Before starting the example, you have to clear the concept of using this symbol or characters in your regular expression pattern. First one is dot. It is mainly used to match any character except new line. Caret symbol is mainly used to match at the starting of the string. Dollar symbol is used to match at the end of the string. Plus symbol is used to match one or more occurrence of any pattern. Question mark is used for 0 or 1 occurrence. First bracket is used for grouping. Second bracket is used to match on lower, upper, or in both cases. Third bracket are used for defining any range. Pipe indicate the logical OR operation, and slash is used for non-character or non-digit. And this is the syntax of the substitute method or replace method of Python. And first parameter is the regular expression pattern. Second parameter is the replace string, and the third parameter is the string where the regular expression and replace will be applied, and count and flag parameters are optional. Here the use of the first three parameters are explained in detail by using different example. First example, replace string by exact match without using any regular expression. And one thing, if you want to use regular expression, then you have to import the module RE for regular expression or replace task. Here string is defined, it is a rainy day, and using this module the substitution task is done. If the word rainy found anywhere in the string, then it will be replaced by sunny, and the rainy word will be searched in the string org string. Here the original string and the replaced string is are printed. So I will save the script first. And now if I run the script, then you can see it is the rainy season. It is a rainy season, it is the original text, and it is the replace text. In the next example, a regular expression is used. I will explain the pattern after copying the source code. Here, the string value will be taken as input, and here the pattern defines that it will search any alphabetic character, maybe it can be a small letter or capital letter, and after that any character can appear in the string. If this type of content found, then it will be converted into uppercase letter. And here the regular expression indicates that it will search any alphabetic character which can be a small letter or capital letter at the starting of the string, and after that any character can appear, and it will be replaced by space, and it will search in the original text, and whole content will be converted into uppercase. So I will save it first. And if I type Python programming is easy. Then you can see the first one is omitted or replaced by the replaced text, and after that the remaining text was converted into a uppercase. In the next example, example 3, search and replace string at the end. Here, another string value is taken. Like previous example, is string value is taken here, and the regular expression indicates that any alphabetic character of small letter or any digit that contains at the end of the string will be replaced by the word com.bd. Now I will run this script. Around this, first of all, I will type in URL address. If I type this, then you can see the replace string is .com.bd, because this portion is matched by the regular expression com, and which is replaced by com.bd. In the next example, search and replace the specific part of a string, that means not at the beginning or ending. Here a string value is given like this: new line, email address, and again new line, email address, new line, email address. And the regular expression pattern shows it will search anywhere in the string at any, after that any small alphabetic character, and after that star indicate, I have explained at the starting of this tutorial. Star is not defined. Okay. Here the regular expression indicate that it will search the at symbol, and after that any alphabetic character, and after that anything can appear, will be replaced by at Linuxint. That means for this email address at Google will be replaced by at linuxint.com, at Yahoo will be replaced by at linuxint.com. Like this one will be also replaced. And if I run this, this is the original text and this is the replaced text. Okay, this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching.